nothing can be more serious than an emergency situation. Our project deals with how to detect an automobile collision using the driver's mobile phone itself and automatically convey the details regarding the vehicle number and the exact geographical location as a latitude and longitude to the nearest emergency service. What we have done now was attempted a few years back by 9/11, the US Emergency Service. However, they were frustrated with failure because they tried incorporating the same facility using emergency SMS, which involved a lot of cost and also change in the existing platforms. However, we have not used any emergency SMS or recorded voice, but instead we have brought up an intuitive design of using tones to convey the details so that these details won't get mangled with the background noise in the voice call. This feature is deployable right away to all the citizens and can be of immense use to the society.
This is our emergency app, AESP. When you open it, it prompts for the type of vehicle you are gonna drive. Let's say you're driving a van. I'm choosing van, and it stores it in the preferences, and it also asks for your vehicle number just once. And let me type numbers in Tamil Nadu start as TN. So let's say I have a number like TN45A1234, and once I have entered the number, it stores this value also in the preferences, and it goes on sensing for an accident scenario. Now I'm gonna throw this mobile, just like which is similar to a collision occurrence. I'm gonna throw this mobile into the sofa, and let's see what happens. You can see the latitude and longitude value is displayed, and it plays a loud tone to alert the user. You also get an abort button to abort the contact to emergency service. Now this is my emergency service over here, and the call is sent to this mobile phone. It is in auto answer mode, so it automatically answers it. Now this mobile, from which the value is supposed to be sent, asks for send tones. I am pressing the send button. You can see the values are decoded in this screen. We get the value of the vehicle number, the location which is in latitude and longitude, as DTMF characters. Now once all the characters are received, it decodes the value to get the exact latitude and longitude of the victim, which will take just a few seconds. Now it has decoded and shows the vehicle number, the latitude and longitude. Thus, within a minute's time, the accident details are conveyed to the emergency location, emergency service automatically without any human interruption. And once the faculty in the emergency service has acknowledged this accident, he presses the reset button, and now the setup is ready to get values from the next emergency service or emergency victim. Thank you.
Here we have the mobile phone on the dashboard
Yeah,
of
sir.
the car, as already said. The app is already running on the mobile phone. We have entered the vehicle number
the road focus
and also chose
So
the
that
type
we know
of
the
vehicle
road is
to be
moving.
a car. We are testing this on a Honda City. We have placed a book nearby to just let you know when a collision scenario like a sudden brake is applied can be easily reduced from the motion of the book. That's all. Right now, as you can see, we are just traveling in a bumpy road, and it shows how the app intelligently eludes all the other variables like speed breakers and other bumps, but only focuses on disturbances of higher threshold. As you can see, we are now going over a speed breaker, and on the road, and we have placed different obstacles. As you can see, the car experiences shake, you can notice that, but still the app is running and hasn't detected any accident-like scenario, and the car is in motion. I've also placed my mobile in one of the side sockets, as you can see there. The final step will be a call that is transmitted from the Android mobile on the dashboard
we'll do that.
to
We'll
that
do it on that
accessory Nokia mobile
Once
on
we go there.
Yeah.
side main. As you can notice, this is a pretty smooth road compared to the previous one, and now we're gonna apply sudden brakes, and only if the car comes to a halt after a very high speed previously, the app will detect it. Now we can notice the book, and now the car has come to a halt, and the accident has been detected, and it shows the interface. If you're okay, press abort after a few seconds, and it also shows an abort button. I'm not interrupting it this time. Instead, I'm letting it to make a call to this Nokia mobile on the socket. As you can see, it automatically calls my mobile, and the call is routed to my mobile, the socket. I'm attending it. And once I attend it, it will show a send tone option in the Android mobile. We haven't overridden this dialog because we want to demonstrate this, or else this can be automatically sent. I'm pressing the send button. Now the tones are being transferred over voice call to the Nokia mobile. Thus, at the instant of collision, the details are transferred within 30 seconds to an emergency